Hi, my name is Zeke with Highland Park Lapidary. We got a wet belt sander here, and I'm going to show you how to change the speeds on the belt. Now, if you just bought your wet belt sander, it comes on the slow speed, but it's really easy to change. We're going to start with a big Phillips head screwdriver, and I've already got the bottom two taken out. There's two screws on the bottom. I'm going to take this top screw out and take this front cover off. And if you get a radiator hose pick like this, I got this from Harbor Freight, makes it real easy, especially if you got the backer plate on here. What I'm gonna do is take that hook and put it underneath the belt. And I'm gonna use my other hand and I'm gonna rotate the drum at the same time, and this is gonna allow me to pluck the belt off. Now, sometimes it takes a couple tries to get it just right. There we go. All right, and then I'm gonna get it all the way off so it's just resting on the shaft there. Perfect, now let's go to the back of the machine. And I have a smaller Phillips head screwdriver back here. I'm gonna take this cover off. There's just 4 screws that hold this cover on. You gotta have your safety. You don't want hair or gloves or fingers to get caught up in this while your machine's running. And it's also a good idea to make sure your machine's unplugged before you go sticking your finger in the pulley. All right, now since there's no tension on this belt now, I'm gonna move the belt over to the big pulley there. Now, where it was on the slow setting, big pulley in the front, small pulley in the back is the slow setting. We're gonna move this to the faster speed where it's gonna be about the same size pulley. So it's gonna be small pulley in the front, big pulley in the back, but they're actually about the same size. So now that that's on, I can go ahead and, since we're already back here, put the cover on. And this takes even less time without all my yapping in between steps, but you gotta teach, right? Now, one little trick that you can do when putting a screw in is sometimes you'll see me start the screw like I'm loosening it. So I'll take it like I'm loosening it. When you hear that little click, that means the thread's just lined up. Because this one, the hose is a little bit in my way. So what I'm gonna do is take it out. When I hear that click, then I know the threads are lined up, and I can tighten it down, because you don't want to cross thread any of your machine screws. And that's semi-sarcasm. I say machine screws because that's actually the type of screw this is. But they're also the screws on your machine, so little screw humor there. All right, now let's go back to the front of our machine. Now you can see the belt on the front here is just sitting on the shaft, so there's plenty of slack. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it halfway over the pulley. I'm gonna use my other hand to pull the drum forward. There you go, it's in place. Now I wanna take, and I'm gonna put the screwdriver in the screw like that. Get it lined up, and I'm gonna do the same thing where I start to take it out until I feel that click, or you can hear the click, and we can tighten that up. All right, thanks for watching.